Okay, so guys, what's up YouTube? It's me, your boy Mr. Cause.intelligence. Please like, subscribe, share much of it like this, yabo. Today guys, me up again. No I am. No anesusu ke liphela. Phekwa ndim ke le ndipheka ndiyophule le. Tangba igama boy kabaphi boy.
Liso lam.
Bani kaloku ayithi boy basifolo uyise boy.
Liso lam Matikazi
Guys, please follow Liso lam ayithi guys. So Liso lam man yabo. Kuthiwa wena nona yami ndikubonile man khembini ba approach unyumnane ndandibe naye mfethu. So ungasini province wena nake babies awuzomlika.
Yeah.
Ayizayiki babies lena friend yazi semlendwana mfethu. So yazi but there's only one way to find out ne. Hi Sisi.
Hi.
Alright.
Right, Jaren.
I'm right. Oh sorry, I chicken yeah. Pretty sorry. So stop. Hold here and please man. Sunday no reason so man.
Hello.
Hi.
Sandra.
Right, Jaren.
Vietnam. Main cầm lao.
Behind.
Main fan.
Maki.
Oh, teta no Liso lam Matikazi.
Okay. So, uzingantoni apha?
Ba uhlala.
Okay, so. Utheni nzima. Type yakho kanye.
Hayi andithu bangayo type.
Unjani? Come rate. Unjani?
Ayishe umhle.
Omhle yamncanya ni. Ayakurate tu umhle phone. Phela uplash ngibona kancane. Wena come rate wena mthini like. Give up.
Yo.
Out of 10.
2 now.
Come rate wena. 4. So, what's up YouTube? It's me your boy Mr. Cause.intelligence. Mina nyindwana ke nona yami. Kuthiwa ngiba igama
Lisakhanya.
Ka asere kayithi.
I'm Lisakhanya _Xondi.
Lisa Xondi guys. Please follow Lisa guys. So wena limlisana mfethu nakubohlohlila just like kancane ihlobo nxibe ngana namhlanje. Even noba kuyabanda guys nomjito wabetha Italian. So wena mfethu kwicala le babies uziphabanga ka rate.
5 out of 10.
5. Why zasinike half?
Because akekho umuntu of perfect fethu emakelsini yabo. Like if xa ufika entombini yabona it's either wena uzawuvunywa okanye awuzovunywa. So ke ngoku no one is perfect fethu.
Hayi ngicebile mfethu. So wena mfethu kuze like siyiprove lo bahlambe maybe ungangaphezulu ko5 if ngakubizela igela siyazi. Singenza njani atyhu?
Izabonakala.
Okay, so izapha bani? Izoma ngawe izangakulicala. Hi.
Oh.
Right.
The right wena.
Oh, so I'm the right. I'm saying IG when Facebook. Balagunyazile guys. Ethe bras ndayazi khona izimbawela ezafuna ethe fast. So ke mlisana man yabo. Ngibamba apha mfethu yabo.
Oyishaka
Zapha man.
Hi.
Hello.
Right.
The right wena.
And right now. Kristina kubusonvile mosikanye busonvile mosigama lampa. Okay, sure. Nami ndiyalazi la kumba ngubani. Like otherwise man.
Share my card.
Okay, sure. Otherwise you look cute man.
Goes.
Mhlengene.
Goes.
Thina lalunje vukonje.
I miss my cocoa butter kiss it.
Right.
So ke ngobana ngicela ubuza ke ngoba ukhona into busy naye. Okay. What about mina nawe ke ngoku since ke ngoku kule situation yabo yobala like usingle yabo mina nawe
Kisses help you smile when you
ndiqhubeke lo.
Okay. So guys. So. Pheli time out. So guys, is so izapha yiyo sinqa.
Okay, ubuvile mosigama lami so Insta.
Yabo. Ngamsebenzisa Instagram nje.
Facebook.
Uchazile nje igama lakhe umjita. Since okay, so wena mfethu
awumine mosayigqibezelo yami nawe ba.
Okay.
awumine. Since okay wena mfethu cela umrate mfethu unjani iqala? She's bad ne?
It's not bad.
She's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so wena mfethu mnika.
Okay,
Out of 10.
Out of 10. 8 fethu.
8. Ophuthu.
Ukuthi umfethu lokho uyayazi mosiba there is no one fethu uyabona like he's perfect yayibona mos
so fair sisibo itype yakho mve or thandi whites wena okay so, okay sisi he's your type okay dibanisile mos hakanyana kanye khisanyana hakike
hakanyana
Cocoa butter kisses help you smile when you listen. Ain't no
I'm gone. I wanna show all these haters and niggas you talking too much on the phone that I'm on.